Look how cute your outfit is. You look so beautiful. I'm gonna show your outfit. Oh, I love the color. She's so cute. She's all dressed up today. I'm gonna get ready and go too. Let's get this party started. I have a few eyebrow hairs that are bothering me, so excuse me, let's pluck those. So a lot of you love when I use my normal setup, which is like really professional with like the blurred out background and stuff. But most of you also like when I just casually do makeup. So that's what we're gonna do today. I was having really dry skin, so I'm just gonna put on some moisturizer. I'm gonna start ahead with my brows. That's so up close and personal. Okay, now that our brows are done, I'm gonna go in with 3 pumps of the Fenty primer. You do not need 3 pumps, you guys. I just really, really like this primer. I don't find it pore reducing, but I find it very, very hydrating, and it doesn't show my dry spots, and it smooths out my face for foundation. The foundation lays on this primer super nicely, and I've noticed that my makeup just lasts longer and doesn't creases throughout the day. So I am a big, big fan of the Fenty primer. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Light Beige. And I'm gonna do 1 whole pump and put that on my right side. I'm gonna share a little bit. I don't want too much. A little more on this side. I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender and blend this in. This is probably my favorite foundation of all times. It's very lightweight, it gives amazing coverage, it's hydrating, it just works for me perfectly. You just have to find foundations that will work with your skin, but this one lays on my face so nicely. I love it. I've gone through multiple bottles of these in the past, probably 2 years. Beautiful. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of conceal and highlight. I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Sand. As you guys know, these are my favorite powders in the whole entire world, and I am very extra because I love them so much. Number 10, I like to set my under eye, and then I like to mix 20 and 25 together to set the rest of my face, just because 25 is a little bit more orangey dark, and then 20 kind of brings back the light. So when I mix those two, I get my shade. But I'm gonna go ahead with number 10, which is the lightest, and I'm gonna use that to set my under eye where we just concealed. For contour, I'm gonna go in with the LORAC palette. This baby right here. It's been a while since I've used this. I'm gonna use a mixture of the light and a little bit of the medium contour. You guys know that I don't contour that much. For blush today, I'll be using Wet n Wild Heather Silk. Such a pretty blush. It's beautiful, but there's a lot, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm really excited for highlight. The reason I'm excited for highlight is because I just got this in the mail. This is Heart. If you don't watch Heart, she's a YouTuber and she's so nice and she's amazing and I love her so much. She collaborated with e.l.f. Cosmetics on this beautiful highlight. Look at the packaging, it's stunning. Oh my god, it reminds me of her. But it says e.l.f. Heart Defensor. And it's in the color Coffee and Cream, and she created this, and I'm very, very excited. I saw that it was available on Ulta.com, so I bought it right away, and I'm just so excited to be wearing this. I'm gonna use this. I used this in my last tutorial, and I ended up loving it. This is the Juvia's Place J123 Tapered Blush Brush, but we're just gonna use it to highlight. So I'm gonna take a little bit of both and let's just see how this baby works. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And this was only like $6 or $8. $8 max. Wow. That's so pretty. I like how it just lays on the skin. It doesn't look like, you know, like powdery. Okay, I love this brush for highlighting, you guys. I love it so much. This might just be my new favorite highlight. I want more. Wow. Wow. Like, look at that. Amazing, Heart. You did an amazing job, and e.l.f. too. Absolutely amazing. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Laura Lee Los Angeles Cat's Pajamas palette. I've been digging into this palette the last few months and I really, really like it. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. I'm the type of girl where I don't need like 35 eyeshadows, even though it is very nice and beautiful to have in the collection. I'm the type of girl where I am just happy with 10 eyeshadows or less because I'm so simple. But let's go ahead and do our eyes. Once I find my holy grail eyeshadow brush. There she is. This is my favorite eyeshadow brush in the world. It's the Morphe M5 7-3. I literally use only one brush for my eyeshadow and then like another one to highlight my eyes. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Balm Diggity, and I'm just gonna pack that on and do put that in my crease. I'm basically just doing miniature circular motions in my crease as I'm just kind of going back and forth. And as I'm moving it higher and higher. But we don't want to go too high because we're going to pop a highlight color right under our brows. And then sometimes I like to relax my eyes just to see where it actually like ends. I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to blend out that edge. And this brush has no product on it. I'm gonna go right next door and hit Cray Cray in the same areas. So I'm just popping Heart Highlight into my inner corner. The same one that I use on my cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead and tight line my eyes. I love these lashes. I love that I don't feel them at all. They look like lash extensions. Like they look like my real lashes actually. Don't they look real, you guys? It's not like too much, right? Pretty. I don't recommend putting mascara on lashes if you are someone who wants to reuse them multiple times. These were by Lily Lashes. These are expensive, but I wanted to try out the kind of wispy style. I'm a big fan of putting mascara on my lashes. However, you can clean your false lashes, so you can do that as well. I love the way this turned out. I love the lashes, so comfortable, amazing. Job well done. Now we have to find an outfit to wear. How cute is this shiny Adidas hoodie, you guys? Oh my god. I'm just gonna wear this and leggings. Comfortable because we're going bowling, so. Okay friends, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you for getting ready with me. I'm gonna get going. I love you guys so much and I had so much fun hanging out with you. Don't forget to leave a comment down below because I love hearing your input on these kind of videos. And I hope you're having a wonderful weekend and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye loves.